Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is August 29th, 2024, and we're diving into some exciting developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, let's talk about Cardano, which is gearing up for its most significant upgrade in 2 years, known as the Chang hard fork. This upgrade is set to introduce on-chain governance features, allowing AD token holders to elect delegate representatives, or DREPs, who will have the power to vote on improvement proposals and technical changes to the network. Originally scheduled for this week, the hard fork has been postponed to September 1st to give exchanges like Binance time to prepare their systems. This upgrade is a pivotal moment in Cardano's development, following the introduction of smart contracts back in 2021. The Chang hard fork is part of Cardano's Voltaire Era, which aims to establish a self-sustaining governance structure for the network. The Cardano Foundation has emphasized the importance of the Cardano Improvement Proposal, CIP 1694, which will empower the community to maintain and shape the blockchain. This proposal includes the formation of a constitutional committee, DREPs, and stake pool operators to oversee governance. Cardano, founded by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson in 2017, is currently ranked as the 30th largest blockchain by DeFi. The crypto community is keeping a close eye on these changes, partly due to Hoskinson's influential role in the space. Moving on to a broader perspective, the crypto industry has struggled to achieve mainstream adoption, remaining largely within a niche community. Despite significant use cases like payments and decentralized finance, or DeFi, the total value locked in DeFi is still minimal compared to major companies like Apple. However, a new technology called web proofs is set to change this landscape. Utilizing zk-TLS and privacy-preserving zero-knowledge proofs, web proofs allow for the verification of data from any web source without requiring the source to take action. This could enable airdrops and incentives to reach a much broader audience beyond current crypto users. Web proofs have the potential to revolutionize how airdrops are conducted, making tokens claimable based on various online activities, such as purchases on Amazon or rides taken on Uber. By expanding the criteria for airdrop eligibility, the potential user base could grow from millions to billions, akin to how Apple's AirTag leveraged its existing iPhone network to enhance functionality. Furthermore, web proofs could facilitate the creation of decentralized marketplaces by allowing users to export reputation and liquidity from existing Web2 platforms, thus enhancing user experience and reducing fees. The integration of on-chain and off-chain activities through web proofs not only redefines the potential for airdrops, but also opens avenues for innovative applications across various sectors. As crypto approaches this pivotal moment, the adoption of web proofs could significantly broaden its appeal and utility, marking a transformative shift in the industry. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these insights into Cardano's upcoming upgrade and the potential of web proofs as fascinating as we did. Remember, all links to the stories can be found in the episode notes. Join us next time for more updates and analysis from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the crypto universe.